guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to change your needle in your sewing machine. Say your needle is dull and you want to start new for a fresh project, or you're like me and you've actually broken your needle. I was sewing along this guy here, this little dragon making a wing, and you can see right here is the piece of the needle from the machine, and it's now stuck in my project. So I'm going to have to get that out, but I also need to replace this needle up in here. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So to replace your needle, first you want to make sure what size needle your machine takes. I have these Singer brand regular point needles here. These are 80/11. I originally bought these for my serging machine, but I know they're going to work in this machine as well. Most sewing machines come with a compartment to hold your tools. Mine is down here in the arm with this little door. We're gonna go ahead and open that up, dump it out until you find your little screwdriver. Some machines may look like an actual screwdriver. Mine is gonna look kind of like this. Okay, so going up to our machine, we have our screwdriver with us, and we're gonna be messing with this little nut wing right here. I'm gonna use the small end of my screwdriver and just start to unwind this. Figuring out which way is looser. It's going to be towards myself on this machine. Once I get it loose enough, I can use my fingers just to loosen it enough. You don't have to take it all the way out. Then we're going to remove the old needle. Now, remember which way you pulled this out. On this needle, the round side of the top here is towards me, and the flat side was towards the back. If you don't know what size needle your machine has, you can look right there on the needle, and this one in particular was 90/14. So you can use that to replace your needle, but I'm going to be changing it to an 80/11 just for this time. Okay, so here's my new needle. You can see how much longer it is compared to the one I broke, but they're pretty close in width and length, so they should work. This new one, if you look straight on there, it's upside down, but it is 80/11 like we were talking about. And we're gonna put this back into the machine. So remembering which side it works on, the flat side is gonna go towards the back of the machine. You're gonna go up and under, and we're going to just push that right into place. Now take your screwdriver back, or you can do it by hand, and you're going to tighten this bolt back down as tight as you can. And if you want to go a little extra, you can use your tool. And there, it's in place, and now you have a new needle and you're ready to sew. For more tutorials on how to take care of your machine and basics to sewing, make sure you check out the playlist linked below.